Good evening, guys. This is Zach with Zach's Weather Shack, and I wanted to give you guys a video update of the rundown of the weather over the next couple of days. I'm looking at two separate systems, the first starting Tuesday afternoon around 2 p.m. as wintry precipitation changing over to all rain. The second system will start late Wednesday night as rain switching to sleet and eventually an accumulating snow. So these are the conditions from the GFS as of about 7 a.m. on Tuesday. It shows the first system right here, which will collide with this system up here, and they will eventually meet at about right here, giving us moisture for the Tuesday afternoon. As these systems collide, it will start as a mix of wintry precipitation for our area that may affect rush hour traffic. It will not be as bad as Sunday. However, let's go ahead and take a look at the animation for this first storm. This is as of 7 a.m. on Tuesday. As you can see, the low pressure will move north, collide with the second low pressure, and eventually start us out with some wintry precipitation. Now, as the low moves north, it will raise our temperatures, which means a changeover to all rain. As you can see, the 35-degree mark well above Baltimore, which means we don't have to worry about any kind of freezing all day Wednesday. However, after this storm moves out, we go ahead and take a look at what will shape up after that. As the low will move east, we see the cold front right behind it that will drop right down into us, and we see the moisture down south, which will collide with that cold front and switch us over to sleet and eventually snow. Now, as those systems collide, we will start out with some sleet. As you can see here, this is about 1 or 2 a.m. Thursday morning, early Thursday morning. And after the cold front starts to win out, we will see heavy snow from about 3 a.m. all the way up until about maybe, I'll show you this graphic here, until maybe about 1 or 2 p.m. on Thursday. So, as far as snow totals go from the GFS, it will largely be based on how cold the surface temperatures will be. If our surface temperatures can stay freezing or below, we will get an exact readout of what the GFS is putting. If our surface temperatures are a little bit above freezing, then the GFS will not be correct and that we will have a little bit less snow accumulations. If you take the GFS verbatim, we will see that it prints out 10 inches for western Anne Arundel County and 9 inches for Baltimore. As you go north, a little bit less, 7 inches. As you go south, a little bit less, 7 inches. So, let's go ahead and take a look at what the European says for snowfall totals. The European shows a little bit less than the GFS, around 6 inches for all of Anne Arundel County. The Canadian agrees with the Europeans' idea and has us at about 6 inches throughout the county, a little bit less, and actually a little more north. So we'll see what happens after the next couple of days. We still have all the short-range models to go over. They will be validated at about 12 a.m. tonight, so I'll give you an update after those come out. My first call for this storm will be 4 to 6 inches. That will update after the overnight models come in, and I'll have my first call tomorrow morning as far as snow accumulations go. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, and have a great night, everyone.